He made a faceless YouTube channel that got millions of views. It took him only one video to go viral. The video now has 400k views. The YouTuber's channel is called Isaac, and the video which went viral was I tried YouTube Shorts for 365 days. This video will explain how you can get a lot of views, go through step by step the exact method that he used to make it go viral, and also near the end I will give a golden tip that is especially useful. So stick till the end and watch all of these steps. Each one builds upon the other and you need to see all of them to apply them to your channel. This is Mahad from 2Pascal here. Let's get right into this. The first one is speed. The video is fast, the voice is clear and articulate. He is good at communicating. Editing. Who edits like this? Seriously. The amount of time between cuts. It's only a few seconds. It takes him a long time to edit like this. That is why he has a loading bar as his channel banner. He uses images, GIFs, music, sound effects, so much. What all of this does is it keeps the viewer's attention. Okay, the next one is structure. He has a diagram of all of the steps in the video. People want to watch the whole thing because they don't want to miss out. Have you ever gone back to a show that you stopped watching because you wanted to know what happened to the characters? It's the same thing here. You want to know what all the steps are. You don't want to miss any of them. The next one is value. He provides value. He provides actual tips to the viewer, just like these ones. Use ChatGPT to find the highest paying topics on YouTube. Use AI to generate images for your videos and thumbnail titles, and for any images that you use in your videos. Use Google and Wikipedia for a list of hobbies to pick a topic for your video titles. Just upload and don't overthink. These are all amazing tips that I recommend. What I mean is actually provide value. If I am learning from a makeup channel, I want my eyebrows to be on fleek. Car that I am learning to fix from the channel, I must be able to fix the car properly. This is what I mean by value. I always say this. Provide value to your viewers. This keeps people watching till the end of the video. When a video is watched till the end, then YouTube pushes it out and it goes viral, even on your first video. This is not 2006. YouTube has changed so much. You can go viral on your first video. Once it sees that people are clicking and they are watching till the end, and they are liking, commenting and all of that, then YouTube will make the video go viral. This is 2Pascal. I, Mahad, am providing value to you. If this video is actually helping you so far and you are finding value in this, then just take a second and hit that subscribe button. It would really mean a lot to me. I'm actually helping as much people as possible to grow their YouTube channels, get more views, get more subscribers, and gain a life of financial independence and happiness. Okay, back to the video. Okay, I promised the golden tip and here it is. Storytelling. He follows the structure of a good story. Movies do this as well, so you can learn this too. How do these movies keep you watching till the end for an hour and a half, 2 hours, even longer? They use storytelling. First part of the story, you describe the environment. It's called world building. Then you explain the challenge that the person is facing. They go out, they try to make it, they try to take on the challenge, and then they face some problems along the way and they learn and overcome and they achieve success and they learn more. Everyone loves a good story. Use storytelling to keep the viewers watching till the end so they can see how the story ends and how the characters progress throughout the story. The next tip is to just start uploading. Don't procrastinate, don't wait, just start. Learn from your mistakes on each video. The next 5 videos, improve one thing, like your script. The next 5 videos, improve your thumbnails or your titles, etc. Doesn't have to be perfect, just don't give up and don't lose hope. Keep going, you got this. This is the beginning of your YouTube journey and you are about to achieve success. I believe in you wholeheartedly. I believe in you. You can do this. You got this. Now, what's the next step? Once you start getting ideas and you start making these videos, how can you actually make money from your channel? That's actually a coincidence because I made a video right here explaining that for you. Just click right here.